So now let's see the reports available in Optotax. What we have done is we have created only the full year reports. That's it. So you just need to select the financial year here, 2017-18 or 18-19, and full year reports in single Excel. So let's say for 2017-18, these are the 6 reports available. I will explain one by one. I have downloaded all these 6 reports. I'll show you. So first is 2A versus 3B reconciliation, then R1 versus 3B reconciliation, 3B summary, full year 3B, whatever data you have filed from portal or from any other software. The beauty of these reports is, so let's say if you start using Optotex from today, then also you'll get full year data. So one by one I will show you the reports. I have downloaded all the 6 reports. So these are the reports. First I will show you the 2A versus 3B. Everything in Excel. So once you have extracted these in Excel, you can do anything whatever you want to. So see, quarter wise, month wise, Jan, Feb, March and annual as well. So single Excel will give you all the data. So यहीं से आपको सब पता लग जाता है कि आखिर चल क्या रहा है. मतलब 3B 2A में you can see clearly कि यहाँ पे इतना extra 2A में दिखा रहा है. So मैं claim कर सकता हूँ. However, there may be a chance that there may be a scenario that some wrong purchase have been entered in 2A by my supplier. So वो मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा अपने supplier से. However, आपको यहाँ पे पूरा annually difference दिख जाएगा. If you want to see monthly कि monthly क्या चल रहा है, so वो भी आप you can see from here. So this was 2A versus 3B. Let's go to the second report, R1 versus 3B. Automatically all the figures have been reconciled. So this is my R1 versus 3B report. Again the same quarter wise, month wise and year wise. Everything in one Excel. No need to go to multiple places. No need to download 12 months report, 12 reports, then compiling, wastage of time, nothing else. So my suggestion would be increase the efficiency, download these reports. So let's see this report. So as per 3B, this should be my outward supply. As per R1, this is my outward supply. If any difference, it will be highlighted. See. Next is, then we will go to GST 2A full year. So ये 2A सर हमने पूरे साल का एक ही रिपोर्ट में डाउनलोड कर दिया. No need to wait for 20 minutes. No need to download monthly report. Just download this report and you can do anything whatever you want. So पूरे साल का 2A एक ही एक्सेल में आप देख सकते हैं मेरे स्क्रीन पे. जुलाई, then if I scroll down, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, full year. See. So पूरे साल का 2A, B2B, B2BA, CDNR, everything, IST, done. Fourth report, GSTR 3B. So whatever data you have filed in GSTR 3B till date, everything will be shown in a single Excel. See, beautiful report. There are actually so many efforts involved in creating these reports for you, but we have created all these for you so that आपका पूरा काम सही से चलता रहे, efficiency अच्छी आए, and you don't need to do manual work rather. So ये पूरा 3B आप देख सकते हैं, पूरा एक ही एक्सेल में आ गया है सारा. So जितना भी आपने डेटा फाइल किया है, सेल समरी, एग्जेम्प्ट अगर कुछ है, नील रिलेटेड है, सब कुछ एक ही एक्सेल में आ गया. That's it, done. फिफ्थ रिपोर्ट, R1 सिमिलर टू 3B. जो आपने 3B में फाइल किया वही चीज R1 में है. All the invoices, all the HSN code, everything, B2B, B2C, whatever you have filed in GSTR1, full year GSTR1 in single Excel. July, August, same. See, B2B, B2C, HSN summary, all the sheets. Last but not the least, the ITC ledger. So cash ledger, credit ledger, both. You can see all the transactions, whatever you have done during the year. So this is my ITC ledger, this is my cash ledger. So whatever challan I have paid, everything in single Excel. Also, many professionals ask me why only 6 reports, others are giving 100 reports, some softwares are giving 150 reports. Sir, मतलब काम होने से है. So आप ये देखिए, so if you look at, let's see 12 months, okay, 6 reports. So 12 6 is 72. So should I call it as 72 reports or 6 reports? So आपका काम आसान करने के लिए ही सर 6 बनाइए, अदरवाइज इन 6 को मैं भी 100 कर सकता था. तो बस यही है. That's it. I hope you have liked all the reports. Keep using Optotex, keep downloading these reports. These will help you a lot. और बहुत टाइम बचाएंगी सर, बहुत ज़्यादा. इस टाइम जो काम सब लोग मैनुअली कर रहे हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली हम लोगों ने करके दे दिया आपको. एंड अगर आपकी कुछ भी क्वेरीज हो, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज, इफ यू हैव एनी फीडबैक, just reach out to us. We are available on mail, we are available on Facebook, we are available on our website, and numbers भी मैंने mention कर दिए यहाँ पे. So I've also mentioned the contact numbers here, so you can contact us anytime. Thank you so much.